E-waste management and EPR compliance. We are here to understand e-waste management and extended producer responsibility EPR compliance, especially for producers, importers, and brand owners, also called PIBOs. The Central Pollution Control Board has a set guidelines that we must follow to ensure the safe and responsible disposal of electronic waste. Understanding e-waste rules 2022 and applicability. In 2022, new e-waste management rules were announced under the Environment Protection Act 1986. These rules makes companies responsible for the entire life cycle of their products, including after they are sold. If you manufacture, assemble, import, or sell electronic items in India, you must register with CPCB, collect the waste properly, and file annual return showing your compliance. Latest amendments and CPCB notification. There are some important updates we must follow. All companies must file their annual return by 30th April every year. If not, they could face fine or even suspension of their EPR authorization. Company must only work with recycler who have valid CPCB authorizations. Also, everything must be done digitally through the CPCB EPR portal to ensure transparency. Understanding e-waste, EPR and e-waste credit mechanism. EPR means the company is responsible even after the product is sold. Authorized recycler collect and process e-waste and they generate e-waste credit for it. These credits can be transferred to companies to help them meet their recycling target. This system makes compliance easier and also promotes recycling and a circular economy. Step-by-step filing annual return on the EPR portal. The annual return filing process is simple. First, log in into the CPCB EPR portal with your credentials. Then, fill in the information about how much triple E you sold and how much e-waste you collected and recycled. Upload supporting document like sale invoice and recycling certificates. Finally, review everything carefully and submit. Download the acknowledgement for your records. Key deadlines and legal consequences. The important deadline to remember is 30th April every year for filing EPR returns. If a company fails to comply, CPCB will issue showcase notice, financial penalty will be applied, EPR registration could be suspended, and it could seriously damage the company reputation in the market. Common mistake and how to avoid rejection. Companies often make common mistake like filing return late, mismatching data between sold and recycled quantities, hiring recyclers who are not CPCB registered, or submitting incomplete documents. To avoid this, it's best to maintain a compliance calendar, double check your data, verify your recycler, and store all records carefully. LF India offers services like document preparation, recycler verification, and compliance reminders to make this easy. Interactive question answer sessions for compliance concerns. Now let's move to your questions. If you are facing any difficulty in EPR compliance, this is the right time to discuss. Our team at LF India is here to provide you with expert solutions and personalized guidance. You can also contact us later by email or phone.